Welcome back to Autoscope. 2026 Cadillac Motorhome, unlimited exotic vacations. Bright, iconic outward look, a majestic, aerodynamic shape, the motorhome will have a bold yet elegant shape thanks to its unique sculpting and clean lines. Signature Cadillac Vertical LED Lighting. The headlights and taillights will employ Cadillac's unique vertical LED design. Chrome highlights and premium details, the car's distinctive massive wheels, large Cadillac logo on the front grille, and well-placed chrome accents, all underline its premium status. Inside, the future's driver cockpit, to give the impression of a high-end airplane cockpit. The helm area will include a large OLED screen that fills the full dashboard. Galleries, induction cooktop, convection oven, microwave, full-size refrigerator, and possibly a built-in coffee maker. Luxurious sleeping area. The main sleeping area will be centered around a king or queen-size bed with a comfortable memory foam mattress. Premium entertainment system. Numerous enormous flat-screen TVs will be scattered throughout the interior. Numerous cleverly designed and hidden storage spaces will be accessible. Cadillac Drivetrain performance and technology. Robust and effective powertrain. The RV is most likely to be powered by a robust V8 engine built for great torque. One may choose to use an all-electric or hybrid drivetrain for greater efficiency and zero emissions. A highly pleasant ride on a variety of surfaces is ensured by the adaptive air suspension system, Super Cruise autonomous driving technology. The RV will be equipped with Cadillac's renowned Super Cruise autonomous driving system. Advanced safety systems, a variety of active and passive safety features, including automated emergency braking, front collision warning, and lane keeping assistance. Off-grid capability, high-capacity lithium-ion batteries, modern solar panels, and a water treatment system may be included in an off-grid package to allow for self-sufficient living in remote locations. Particular color choices, rich metallic and propane hues that radiate sophistication.